Today's big take also is all about JPMorgan CEO Jamie Dimon, the leader who has spent 17 years building a $3.8 trillion firm that is Main Street's biggest lender and Wall Street's top trader. And perhaps the biggest challenge, though, nobody appears to be ready to succeed him. Bloomberg finance reporter Katherine Doherty has more on the story. I think the question that's underpinning the story here by Hannah Levitt is JPMorgan is Jamie Dimon too big for JPMorgan? If he were to step down, does JPMorgan survive in the same way?
It's the big overhang that the bank is dealing with right now. You hear often when JPMorgan is behind big deals or going out in front of Congress, it's Dimon who is there. He's either leading conversations with big corporations, getting more business with the bank, or he's in front of Congress and he's speaking about the concerns that he has with both the lack of growth in the space in the economy and the restrictions that have been put on the bank in recent years. But it's all Dimon every day, it seems, and he's the loudest one in the room, not just at the bank, but really in the industry.
Well, let's talk about him then compared to his peers. What do they say about him, and how is he so different than them?
So I would say the biggest difference is just how in the weeds he is as a CEO. He's taking on responsibilities that are rare in that he's having conversations with CEOs of other corporations. These are clients of the bank, but that's not typical. And he really takes it upon himself to, if he's asked by investment bankers within JPMorgan who are saying, hey, we really need to clinch this deal. I've heard of situations where he'll hop on the phone personally and he'll make sure that that happens. I would not say that that is the commonplace approach at other banks. There's so much to do when you're CEO. You're having to worry about all of your employees. It's not just about the investment bank. It's not just about trading, things that JPMorgan is dominant in. There's a lot more to it. You have to figure out wage growth with your employees. How are you compensating them? You're the leader of thousands and thousands of employees across the globe.